Hello and welcome to your weekend edition of CNY Weathertainment's 5-day forecast for the Mohawk Valley. You can get it live at 5:55, 6 days a week, and on Periscope at 6:05 as well. Fun, lively, educational, enthusiastic, a lot of things going on live streaming Periscope. Count them, three weather headlines. Midday rain and thunder on Saturday, so from 11 till about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Sunday could be interesting. Remember the way Tuesday was? Sunday and even Monday could be interesting, but once it clears out, I foresee a long stretch of sunny, dry weather for next week. We'll talk about when that is in just a moment. But first, windy conditions Sunday and Monday. Winds will be in excess of 35, maybe 40 miles per hour throughout the days, Sunday and Monday. So be aware of that windy period ahead. But Saturday, 73, not quite average, which is 77 now. 62 on Sunday. Whoa! Remember last Tuesday? That's the way Sunday looks, so there could be some severe weather. Monday, 65, and then warming up each day a couple of degrees Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. The short story is, remember this old storm over eastern Canada? Well, that storm is going to wind up making a repeat performance of last Tuesday and Wednesday's event. After a clear Friday night, thanks to high pressure, this warm front increases the clouds Saturday morning. This cool front is catching up to it. Because the cool front is moving faster than the warm front, you call that an occlusion. And when a storm occludes, it means the storm is intensifying rapidly and moving into its older stages of development before it dies off, much like its predecessor. So that's going to bring 2 or 3 hours of showers early afternoon, I think, Saturday. But behind it, as it moves into eastern Canada, it is going to spin like a top and really intensify into Sunday, bringing a lot of wind Sunday into Monday and the potential for some severe weather in terms of hail and wind Sunday PM and maybe Monday too. There's your stripe of rain for midday Saturday, and you can't see what's coming our way for Sunday because that storm hasn't moved off into eastern Canada yet. But the high that brought unbelievable weather for Friday moves off to the south and east and away from the area, taking with it the cooler temperatures, but allowing that warm front to move in and eventually the showers and thunder showers from the trailing cold front. Friday, look at this, turned out 67 versus my high of 69, but the important thing was that 39 just missed the record low. Wow! 15 hours, 20 minutes of daylight was just about maxed out because there's only 10 days until calendar summer. Forecast is brought to you in part by the Utica Blue Sox. Also, picture-perfect pools and affordable spas, Route 5, New Hartford, and the Body Alive City Gym in downtown Utica. And it looks like this. Midday thunder showers on Saturday should be run-of-the-mill generic, high of 73. A little breezy, too. Clearing up rapidly Saturday evening, a low of 58. Sunday, a bright start, but then PM thunder and wind, 15 to 30 gusts over 35 or 40 miles per hour in the afternoon. A high of only 62, so it only climbs 4 degrees Sunday. Monday, a few sun showers, a crack of thunder, maybe more wind and small hail. And then Tuesday begins the stretch, 73, mix of sun and clouds, for a delicious dish for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. That's your weekend weather forecast. Make it a great day.